Thin slicing, the brain's ability to find patterns in events based only on the thin slices of experience. In fashion, this happens in less than a tenth of a second. The viewer's brain isn't looking at your face yet, it's scanning your silhouette for stability, your fabric for status, and your grooming for discipline. This isn't about being judgmental, it's a primal survival mechanism designed to categorize friend, foe, or leader at a glance. When you understand this, you stop getting dressed and start authoring your first impression. The syntax, context is your translator, but words only mean things within a sentence, and garments only mean things within a context. A sharp, charcoal grey power suit is a sentence about professional reliability in a London boardroom, but in a creative studio, that same suit might translate as rigid or unimaginative. The wearer changes the what. This is why a white shirt can signal either a high-stakes meeting or a relaxed weekend depending on the fit and the environment. To master fashion as a language, you must first read the room before you choose your vocabulary. The advanced move, the visual paradox. The most powerful communicators, however, don't just follow the rules, they use visual paradoxes. This is how you communicate contradiction, by pairing a high-coverage silhouette, like a structured dress, with armored textures like heavyweight wool or stiff leather. You create a complex message. The modesty says, I am reserved, while the structure says, I am immovable. You are essentially speaking two truths at once. This friction between different elements, like pearls on denim or a biker jacket over silk, is what creates a memorable, high-status voice. The final punctuation, the power of detail. Finally, we look at the punctuation of your outfit, the hem and the press. A crisp, ironed line or a weighted, blind hem acts as a visual signal for executive function. When the brain sees a sharp edge, it subconsciously assumes a sharp mind. It translates physical order into mental competence. By the time you finally speak, you aren't fighting for respect, you are simply confirming the high-status story your clothes have already told. Fashion isn't a mask, it's a megaphone for your intent. Let's see if this visual paradox concept is sticking. Imagine you want to create a look that says rebellious yet trustworthy. We know trustworthy usually involves navy blue or traditional tailoring. We know rebellious often involves leather or asymmetrical lines. How would you combine these words into one outfit to send that specific message? For example, what garment would you pick, and what contradictory fabric would you make it out of? Let me know in the comments section.